Use the AccuBall Mini as a powerful release tool for the muscles in the outer part of your leg. Athletes love this move. Why? Muscles always tighten up in the outer aspect of our leg. These are called your peroneus brevis and longus muscles. And if you've ever gone over on your ankle, they will contract as a result. So get the ball under there and start to move yourself up or down to tune in the exact spot. Your body will very clearly tell you where you've got it. If you can't find it, it means you haven't found it yet. Keep looking. When you do find the right spot, you'll know it will be exquisitely tender. Hold it and breathe. Nice, deep, releasing breaths for 2 or 3 minutes until you feel the spot extinguish. When that's done, then move yourself down to the next spot and hold there appropriately the same way. Remember that your breath is key in releasing any tension or contraction that you feel.